Hi people, today I am going to discuss about an important topic, which is Payoneer account. When you make a Fiverr account, you need to create Payoneer account to withdraw funds. Through Payoneer you can easily withdraw your payment outside directly into your bank. So let's get started. Here this is the opening link of Payoneer. You can take a look of this landing page. In landing page, there you can see option of register on Payoneer. Click on that and now you are at the exact page of Payoneer. Here you can register yourself. Before start to create account, let me clear one thing. You can make Payoneer account once on your original ID card and can't create again another account on same ID card. So I do have Payoneer, so I am not going to create it again, but to just show you people I am entering some random information so that you people can have idea. So it has 4 steps. In first step you enter first name, then second name, and after this enter your email. Again enter your same email address and exact date of birth which is mentioned in your original CNIC and click on next page. Now you are at the second step. Here you need to enter your country, the information of your address in details without dashes and commas. And after this, enter your registered phone number and then Payoneer send you code on that phone number. You need to enter that verification code and click on next. Now you are at the third step of Payoneer. In this page you can see, you need to enter all the information regarding security, like enter your email, the password which you want to choose, and after this select any security question. So that in future if you forget password, you can easily get access to your account through this security question. Now enter your national ID card number and then just click on next. Now you are at the last step, the fourth step. I am just missing that step because in this you need to enter your all bank information like IBAN number and just click on done. After this you be informed by paying through email that you have registered yourself successfully on Payoneer, and you people were asked to wait for 2 to 5 business days to get confirmation email. Once they review your information and you get confirmation email, you can easily log in and use your Payoneer account. Hope you guys like this detail video. If you need any information, you can easily ask me. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.